bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dish. It's found throughout Latin America and throughout the Caribbean called chicken and potatoes, or pollo con papa en cazuela. It's it's very easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make it my way. Hola mis cariños, les voy a enseñar cómo hacer un rico plato, muchos conocen, se llama pollo con papas en cazuela. Es muy sencillo para hacer. Vamos a empezar. Okay, so I already cut my chicken up and I washed it, and now I'm marinating it with some lime juice. Sometimes I like to use naranja agria, which is sour oranges, and then after that I'm going to add all my dry seasoning to it. Okay, adobar el pollo de antemano un día antes de cocinarlo. Hay muchas variaciones a esta receta, pero les voy a mostrar cómo lo hago, ¿ok? Para el adobo, echa sal, pimienta, limón o naranja agria, cebolla, ajo y especias. En este caso, estoy usando limón porque no hay naranja agria, pero me gusta naranja agria mucho mejor que limones. After adding your dry seasoning, you want to let this marinate for about at least 1 hour, but it's best if you marinate it overnight because all the flavors will soak into it and it will taste really delicious. En la cazuela pone un chorrito de aceite a fuego medio abajo. Siguiente, agrega el pollo y cocínalo hasta que todo lado esté dorado. To this pot, I'm adding a little bit of oil to a medium-low flame, and then I'm going to add in my chicken and cook it until all the sides are brown. Le voy a sazonar el pollo con la misma especias que antes. So now I'm adding the same seasoning that I used to marinate the chicken to the chicken to give the chicken more flavor. Ahora quita el pollo de la olla y déjalo reposar unos minutos. Now you want to remove the chicken from the pot and you're going to let it rest for a few minutes. Next we're going to add in our onions and our minced garlic along with our 2 bay leaves. Seguidamente añadimos la cebolla, ajo y 2 hojitas de laurel. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of dry white wine, and you can use any brand, and if you want to use cooking wine, you can. Para darle más sabor, le agregue media taza de vino seco, vino blanco, y puedes usar cualquier marca que quieras. So basically what we're doing is building our flavors. So now I'm going to add the chicken back into the pot and add the rest of the ingredients. Ahora añadimos el pollo a la olla y todos los ingredientes. After adding the chicken, we're going to add in our potatoes, and you want to cut your potatoes in large chunks so that when you're cooking them, they won't disintegrate in your stew. Ahora le vamos a agregar las papas y corta las papas en grandes trozos para mantener su forma. So now I'm adding in 1 cup of water And I know it looks like it's not enough water to cover the potatoes, but we're making we're stewing the chicken. We're not making a soup. So you'll see in the end what it looks like. Agregué una taza de agua. Yo sé que parece no suficiente agua, pero estoy guisando el pollo y no haciendo sopa. Miren, fue bastante agua. So as I mentioned before, 1 cup was enough, and we just want to stew the chicken. So we want our broth to be thicker as opposed to a soup, which is a lot thinner. So I added some peppers to my stew, and this is just to give it color, not so much for the flavor. And you don't have to add the peppers if you don't want to. Para que darle más color, le añadí pimientos, pero no tiene que hacerlo si no quiere. So now we're ready to serve our pollo con papas, our chicken and potatoes, and this took about 50 minutes to make this whole dish. Ok, ya está listo para servirlo y el tiempo total para hacerlo fue 50 minutos. Voy a servirlo con arroz, solamente arroz y aguacate, nada más. And I'm going to serve this with white rice only and avocado, nothing else. This meal is a really simple meal to make. It's very economical, and it's made throughout Latin America and throughout the world. And it's doesn't require a lot of ingredients, as you see, but it's really flavorful. So I hope you guys make this and let me know what you think about it. Este plato es muy sencillo para hacer y muy económico. Muchos latinoamericanos y muchos países hacen este plato y como pueden ver no necesita muchos ingredientes, pero queda muy sabroso. So I'm going to show you how tender and juicy this chicken is and how soft the potatoes are. Well, my friends, it's time for me to go, but I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more recipes like this, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my recipes. And I want to thank you guys for supporting me all of these years. God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bueno, mis cariños, es hora para yo irme. Si te gusta este video, dale un like. Si haces este plato y quiero compartir tu receta, hazlo. Quiero agradecerle por apoyarme todos estos años. Dios los bendiga. The recipe is at the end of the video if you want to see it.